Hello friends, did you miss our videos about fast workers? Well, you know, people who do something so fast at work that sometimes it can seem that they can replace 2, 3 or even 5 people. It's always nice to watch other people work, especially if they're quick. So make yourself comfortable. Today we have a new selection of people who do their work like thunder. Let's get it on. Food is basically fast food that saves time for hungry passers-by. Well, turns out in the city of Bangalore, India, you can find super fast street food. Just look at how fast his hands are moving. Just like a couple of moves and the dish is ready. Did you know that people with a fear of heights can't be lumberjacks? It's a shame, yes, we agree, but however, it's quite reasonable. Do you think a person with fear could climb this 27-meter trunk? Don't think so. Well, these guys definitely can, and just look how fast.
You see them both light up?
Inside shut down. Inside boosters.
What? Look at that. That's unreal.
Perhaps someday you'll be lucky to visit this Pakistani restaurant. Why lucky? Well, because the food here is surely brought instantly, almost immediately after the order. No wonder the work is literally boiling. If you're hungry, we recommend you to be careful, or go get yourself a napkin, because you'll start drooling when you see what we're about to show you. Just look how quickly everything's done. Have you ever thought about how bricks are made? Well, yes, there is special equipment, but some people still make them with their hands using molds. Moreover, people have learned to sculpt them incredibly quickly.
আমি আরেক জায়গায় দেখলাম ওরা 1000 এর মধ্যে 350 টাকা দেয় ওরা ঢাকা রেট বেশি আমি ইয়াতে নাটোরের দিকে এক কথা যে আমাদের এলাকায় মগরে এটা আমাদের অভাবী জায়গা
Just look at that. Just a couple of movements and voila, a bunch of sand and clay takes the form of a real brick. We wonder how long this man had to work to learn to do this. And how many stamps can you put on documents in 30 minutes? We bet you never tried to do it quickly. And of course you didn't try to record the time. But try it someday just for fun. This man shows an incredible result. Thousands of stamps in just 30 minutes.
Speed. Okay.
When you watch this work, you involuntarily ask yourself, how come he doesn't get dizzy? We would definitely feel dizzy from such a fast and long torsion in different directions. It's amazing, but it takes no more than 7 minutes to create one of these beds. And here we have not only an incredibly fast bartender, but also the largest portion of tequila you've ever seen. We don't even know where to look, at the mug or how deftly the barman works with his tools.
Ahí voy yo, ahí voy yo. Échala, botella. Mira, vámonos riendo.
A mí me gusta el cantito es el güero. El número 1, ¿eh?
Tequila, Jalisco.
You feel inspired by such a stunning avocado cutting, and now you want to go and try it too. Hey, don't go anywhere, and don't try to repeat anything like this. The knives are sharp, and besides, to get such a skill you need to practice. If there was a Builder of the Year award, we would hand it to these guys without hesitation. Firefighters are by definition super fast workers. Any delay can be worth someone's life, and that's why it's so nice to watch how they hurry. Only 20 seconds and the brigade is ready for departure. We can watch how this fruit carver works forever. No, seriously, forever. Do you also want a pineapple now? These workers cut glass so incredibly quickly that when you watch it for the first time, you can't really see anything. You just admire them. But look closely. The guy in the blue makes the cuts and the guy in black breaks the glass.
I 20 sztuk.
And what do you think of when you hear the words bread cutting machine? After watching this video, we think about this very fast guy. Apparently, you'll think of him too when you see slices of bread.
2000. Was? Super. Nice. 2 Brote. Wie viele Brote backt ihr am Tag? Achtung, ab! Jetzt! 1.
How to make the waiter work super fast. You have to pay him for every cup he puts on the table. We guess this is what this cafe decided, and just see what a fast waiter they created. Dude, are you looking for new technologies and great gadgets? Are your thoughts focused on the future? Do you love huge vehicles and can't imagine your life without robots around you? Then visit TechZone and you'll find all this and more. The link is in the description. You interested? Great.